I hit 1,000 subscribers in one day. After 3 years of struggling to get even a single sub, I finally cracked the code with Roblox rant videos. And today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process. Recording, scripting, voiceover, editing, and the secret audio trick that makes it go viral. Everything you need is in this video. Let's get into it. First, what device do you need? You can use PC or mobile, both work perfectly. If you have a PC or iPhone, you're already set. But if you're on Android, you need to change your smallest width to 550 dp in developer options. This makes your videos way crisper. Look up how to enable developer options if you haven't already. Now let's get that background footage, open up Roblox and play tower games. Coffee tower, boba tea tower, anything colorful and engaging. Just record your gameplay for 5 to 10 minutes. Play normally, go up the tower, show different levels. You need variety for editing. Pro tip, record footage with a lot of movement. Jumping, climbing, moving around. People stop scrolling when they see movement. Make sure your recording quality is set to the highest. Once you got your footage, we're moving to the most important part. This is where most people mess up. The script is everything. Write about things everyone relates to. Group projects, fake friends, annoying classmates, parent double standards. You get the idea. A lot of people use ChatGPT, but it makes trash scripts. Too formal, too long. Use it for ideas, but write the script yourself. Here's my formula. Strong opening that grabs attention. Build the story with specific examples people recognize. Add humor and exaggerate a bit. End with a realization or call to action. Keep it under 40 seconds when spoken. Write conversationally. Use bro, like, literally. Read it out loud. If it sounds weird, rewrite it. Now turn that script into audio. Use Google AI Studio. It's completely free and better quality than 11 Labs. Go to Google AI Studio. Sign in, paste your script. Choose a young male voice with energy. Generate the audio and download it. If the AI messes up any words, rewrite that part phonetically in your script. Open CapCut. Import your Roblox footage and voiceover audio. Here's the secret. Select your audio, go to speed settings, change it to 1.3x or 1.5x speed. But make sure auto pitch is on. This is what makes it sound like a rant. You can also speed up your background footage to 1.1x or 1.2x for more engagement. Sync everything and trim to match your voiceover length. Add sound effects at key moments. Vine boom, record scratch, whatever fits. Add 3 to 5 overlay images or memes when relevant. Use silent piano music in the background at 20 to 30% volume. Finally, auto captions in CapCut. Keep them simple. White text, black outline. Add emojis to show emotion. Make sure captions are perfectly timed with the audio. Export in highest quality. Post everywhere. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Use hashtags like #Roblox, #rant, #relatable, #viral. If this helped, subscribe to 𝒞𝓁𝒾𝒸𝓀. Let's all grow together. See you in the next one.